Hello and welcome to Cryptogems tutorial videos. In this video we're gonna talk about implementing Cryptogems price bot into your Telegram group. This bot is very interesting because it is giving you free advertising credits on Cryptogems. So if you implement this bot into your group, you will not need to pay advertising on some other place. More about how this bot is working you can see in this promo video, and let's start. So first thing you need to have is your token Telegram group, and you need to be creator of the group, so no admin can add it, just creator. And let's go step by step. Step 1, you need to be creator. Step 2, add Cryptogems price bot to your group, so you can click here. You can copy this username, come to Telegram, click here on manage group, members, add members, insert this here and click on add. When you have added bot to group, go and give him admin permissions. So again, manage group, administrators, add administrator, bot, click here and save. Now step 3, in the case that you want to give to group admins to work with bot, you can copy this command, insert it here, and now every admin of the group can set up the bot. Now step 4, to get free advertising credit on Cryptogems, you need to insert this command. So each time when your Telegram group members come to check the price of your token, you will receive free advertising credits in ratio 1/3. So click here and insert your address. You need to change this address and put your address in Ethereum format. So let's go and take some my address. I'll take this one, insert it here, okay. Now we are going to step 5. So we need to get our group ID. So I'll copy this command, get ID, put it in the group, and here you can see ID of our group. Why this part is important? Because Cryptogems price bot registering from where the hit's coming, so your ad will not be shown to people that are coming to platform from your Telegram group. It will be shown only to other communities. Now we need to find our pair. So I open this in new tab. For example, I have contract of penny token, so I take it, go to search for it, and here I can see pair, so this pair. So let's go and copy complete command. I will insert it here. Now I will change this pair by my token. That's this. paste, and I will take my ID for this group. Paste, and that's it. Okay, that was step 5. Now I need to configure the box for my token. I'll take this, copy it here. Again, I will take a pair of my token I'm interested to add into my group, and I will change it here. Okay. That's also finished. Step 7. I need to choose on which network is my token. Since it's on BSC, I'll just copy this, paste it here, and that's it. You can find some additional commands here and to see explanation for each one of them. So now when your group members insert command price, it will jump out here. Okay. In the case that you have any questions, you can find admins in the Cryptogems Telegram group. I will put the link below this video, and someone will help you to set up the bot. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.